Hey, what's up, guys? First of all, I ask you one thing: what you doing for a living? If you make some money, it's good. If you're watching Netflix, it's also good in the way of entertainment. If you don't make any money in online, I show some simple three website you can combine together and make some $100. Or if you have already a job or any income stream, just put into your side hustle. You can make an extra $100 for your income stream. It's easy. So if you like, just stick around this video. It's nothing like any survey or any affiliate marketing. You just simply type your name and it's available worldwide. I show simple three website. You can combine together or you can work separately. Either way, you can make some good amount of money with this. It's like a simple and you can easily type in and you can get paid. Like I said, it's available worldwide. Without any further ado, let's dive into this video. This is the first website called Easy Typing Job. So Easy Typing Job, like I said before, you can type some letters like captcha and you can get paid. You can call this method or captcha entry method or whatever you want. Just typing some letter and you can get paid easily and you can do it over and over again. It's the most popular across all border because it's easy job. It's like a side hustle. If you're walking with your pet on a park, you can just like this guy just typing some name and get paid. Simple. If you sit around a coffee shop, if you don't know how to spend your time, just typing a word and you can get paid. It's a simple, easy side hustle, and you can get paid some good amount of money with this. The first, like I said before, is called typing job, easytypingjob.com, and this is simple explanatory website. You can easily come around, you can easily check, and this is the withdraw any bank guarantee payment. If you have a bank account, you can easily withdraw your account. Is 100% trusted and it's available worldwide. It's a simple task, like I said before. It's easy like a typing a letter. You can get paid. You can work from anywhere, wherever you want and whenever you want. Simple and easy. Just to come out to this easytyping.com and click register button. Automatically take you to this register page. Just you can put your name, username and email. Just to put your working email you currently have, because they send you verification code. You can verify your email. Put your mobile number with the country code and password and confirm password and click register. You can good to go and you can make some good amount of money easily. You can make money if you already have account. I hope you should know. Just click have account, sign in and you can good to go. The second website is called ToCapture.com. It's the most popular website. I think everybody knows, but some people don't recommend this because it's an easy way to make money. So simple and you can get paid zero point 0.5 USD for 1000 solved captcha. You can easily solve the captcha if you know how to type keyboard very fast. You can easily make a $0.5 in almost 12 seconds. The average response timeless is the 12 seconds. They also show 12 seconds is the average time response. Easily you can make money and you can also work on captcha recognition. It's easy, simple, and this is the rate for workers. Normal captcha means 0.38 cents and 1000 recaptcha means $1.1. Easy, you can easily make a $1.1 in a 1 minute. If you combine this 1 minute into 10 minute $10 or into 30 minute $30 into 60 minute $100. Easily you can make $100 per day over and over again. Easily type. If you spend 1 hour, you can make $100. Come out to this to capture.com and click registration. It's automatically take you to the register page. It's a simple registered page. Just you enter email and you enter password and repeat password. If you want to put simple captcha, their language, put this their language in this. And if you want to recaptcha, this is recaptcha how it look like. I'm not robot. If you click, it pop up some. So if you click, it's once a tick, you can click register. Like I said, you can put you are currently using email. Otherwise, you can get to your email verified. So put your currently used to email. and you can get verified easily. And the last but not least is captcha2cash.com. It's a simple explanatory website. It's like all other website. Just to enter a captcha and get paid easily. You can do it over and over again without any intents or without any distraction. Easily you can make money with this, and you can transfer your money via PayPal or bank. There is a lots of option available, and it's also available worldwide. Doesn't matter where are you from, you can do it over and over again. I think I don't waste your time because it's a self-explanatory. You can come out to captcha to cash.rog and click register now. So automatically this register page, you can type your email, password, name, payment transfer. There's a lots of payment transfer type: PayPal, Western Union, Perfect Money, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and this you can make sure this you cannot change your payment option once you set. So please correctly check your payment option, and you can have validation code and check this and click I'm not robot, and you can good to go. Click register, you can good to go. So simple as you think, and you can make some good amount of money just doing some simple type jobbing. It's available worldwide. You can comment to all this website, and you can easily make $100 a day over and over again. Simple typing job. I hope you, if you don't have a side hustle, you can make this video a side hustle, and you can do it over and over again. You can do it over and over again. So simple. I hope this video helps you a lot to make your first side hustle or a second side hustle. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.